Attention! Standards! Attention! Standards! Attention! Class leaders! Salute! Order! Go back! A pleasant morning to you all. I am Dear Reddy. I have taken stand in front of you all to host date 31 month 2025. Let's start today assembly with a to the Rohit second standard. Honesty is a best policy. I repeat, honesty is a best policy. Now I request my friends to pray. Hi, good morning to one and all. My name is Jayashree. I am studying 40 standard division in Vision English Medium School at Adiki. Hi, good morning to one and all. My name is Nitin. I am studying 3rd standard in Vision English Medium School at Adiki. Today activity: good touch and bad touch. Good touch a touch that cares for us or makes us feel safe. We call it a good touch. Examples: parents hug, pat from the teacher, brother pulling your cheeks. Bad touch. Bad touch that makes us feel or scared is called a bad touch. Example of feel uncomfortable. Someone trying to hurt you. Someone touching your private parts. Someone kicks, pinches and slaps. Thank you, all of you. Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is Vijay. I am studying that class in Vision English Medium School at Adiki. Today speak about good habits. Take a bath daily, brush your teeth twice a day, exercise daily. Slow. Drilling nails once a week. Eat fruits and vegetables. Drink plenty of water. Wash hands before and eating. Using toilet. Help to each other in the studies. Thank you, all of you. And all, I am studying 3rd class in Vision English Medium School at Adiki. Today speak about healthy food, eating only homemade food, eating raw food and cooked food. The process of breaking down of longer into juices in our body is called digestion. Eating cooked food, the cooked material is called cooked food from animals and plants. For example, meat, fish, eggs and milk. Plants, fruits, vegetables and leafy vegetables. Thank you, all of you. Today activity is parts of plant: stem, flower, leaf, fruit, stem, fruits. Today activity is parts of plant: stem, leaf, root, fruits. Thank you, all of you. My name is Mehboob. I am studying 3rd class in Vision English Medium School at Adiki. Today speak about parts of a plant. Plants are gift of nature. Plant give us food and fresh air. Stem support the plant transportation. Stem carries the water, nutrients from the root. Thank you. Absorb water and minerals from soil. Fix the plant firmly in the soil. Fix the plant to the ground. The roots of plant the soil and prevent soil erosion. food for plant. Some are used as food. Banana, bananas all are used to make disposable and bowls to serve food. Thank you all of you.
Any birthday Nana?
No teacher.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
We are fine, teacher.
I am also fine, thank you. So small quotation: intelligence and our character is lifeline to our successful in life. Okay, మనకున్న ఒక తెలివితేటలు, మనలో ఉన్న ఒక క్యారెక్టర్, వ్యక్తిత్వమే మనకు మా లక్ష్యాన్ని చేరుకోవడానికి సహాయపడుతుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. So yesterday Koti sir has kept you the competition, right? So for first class and second class. So the winners are going to give the prizes here. So please winners come up on this stage here. Winners yesterday competition winners.
Varsha, Prabhas. Prabhas. 4 members ఉంటారు.
So they got the prize in spelling competitions, ma. So they have won the prizes. So today we are going to give the prizes. So appreciate them, clap to them.
Photo.
Clap for them, ma. So next time you have to get that chance. Don't give them chance. Okay, next time మీరు కూడా తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకేనా?
ఎందుకు వాళ్ళకి నాన్న ప్రైజ్ ఇచ్చారు? వాళ్ళకి ఎందుకు పెన్ ఇచ్చారు వాళ్ళకి? ఎస్టర్డే మనం కాంపిటీషన్ చూసాం కదా సరేనా ప్రభాష్. ఎస్టర్డే మనము క్విజ్ కాంపిటీషన్లో వీళ్ళు అందరూ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు, కాకపోతే వీళ్ళు మాత్రమే విన్నర్ అయ్యారు కదా. వీళ్ళు బాగా చెప్పారు, మిగతా వాళ్ళకంటే బాగా చెప్పారు, అందుకనేసి వీళ్ళకి మార్క్స్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చాయి. అందుకని వీళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడు మనము గిఫ్ట్లన్నీ ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? మీరు కూడా తెచ్చుకోవాలి, మీరు కూడా గిఫ్ట్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి, మీరు కూడా ఇలాంటి ప్రైజెస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? అందరు క్లాప్స్ కొట్టండి అన్న.
All of you please be reading attention to the national anthem.
పోయి.
జనగణ మన